So, magra-rant ako. Have you ever wondered why people have different learning styles and at the same time, meron din tayong iba't ibang teaching styles? Yung parang, Lord, pwede ba na kung papaano nila tinuro, mag-grasp ko agad-agad? Or, pwede ba na kung papaano nakaka-learn yung ibang tao is gano'n na lang din ako? Kasi sometimes, or most of the time, minsan hindi nagiging swak eh. Gets nyo yung point? For example, may isang bata, tapos yung level of understanding niya is talagang batang-bata. Tapos ikaw naman teacher ka, college teacher ka. And sanay naman tayo pag nasa college or university ka na teacher or instructor ka, iba yung approach nun. More on instructing ka lang. Hindi mo na talaga fully ini-explain to the roots yung lahat-lahat na as if everything must be learned from the scratch. Pero if bata yung kausap mo, is you need to go through that kasi even the simple words na sinasabi natin hindi nila naiintindihan or hindi naiintindihan. So ang akin lang, at this moment, at this age, ang dami ko pa rin talagang nahihirapan ako na matutunan yung mga bagay na itinuturo ng iba. For example, learning a guitar. O yung simpleng pagkaskas nun. Simple. Sa kanila. Sa akin, hindi. Kasi, more on yung training ko kasi pattern eh. Meron akong pattern na training. Tapos, if iba-iba, di ba yung pattern ng pagkaskas depende sa song. So, tenga yung kailangan. But as someone who is not into that, into music that much, even when I was a kid up until today, hindi ako ganun talaga ka-indulge or hindi ako ganun ka into music. So I am struggling with the way others is teaching it to me. So papaano ko siya matututunan in my state today na more on patterns ako. More on patterns yung utak ko. So, hindi ko siya automatically ma-adjust na kailangan mong pakinggan yung tono din ting 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 ganun. So, hindi talaga nagko-connect yung utak ko. And at the same time, hindi ko na-coordinate sa kamay ko. Ganun siya. So at this moment, I am meditating. I am brainstorming with myself na ganito, reality kasi talaga siya eh. Hindi lahat musically inclined. Hindi lahat mabilis yung pick up. I am not saying na hindi kaya yung ibigay ng Diyos sa atin. No, I am not invalidating the capacity of God and the grace that He can give into us the moment na mag-learn tayo, makita niyo yung faithfulness natin in practicing and consistency natin. I am not invalidating that. Pero ang point ko dito sa video na to is, kailangan at some point maging align yung, for example, ako more on logical, more on patterns. So if ako magsi-self-taught ako kasi hindi ganun, hindi ko nahahabol yung itinuturo ng iba kasi nga hindi ako ganun, hindi ganun yung way of learning ko or hindi ko magagrasp yung way of teaching in that aspect. So kailangan ko ding makilala yung sarili ko na how do I learn things? More on pattern ba? Kailangan bang intindihin ko muna yung concept? Or kailangan bang may makita ako? Visual ba? Or makita ko yung lyrics and then ilagyan ko yung lyrics ng dito ko kaskasin pababa, pataas, ganun. So I need to work on with that. Kasi I don't learn like the others. In realidad yun, hindi lahat ng bata, hindi lahat ng tinitrain natin is kasing level ng understanding ng geniuses, ng mga fast learners. There are also, in reality, not degrading them, pero meron talagang slow at some aspects. Katulad ko. 'Di ba? So ganun siya. We need to work on with that. And we need to find the module na sa angkop para sa kanila or nararapat or swak para sa kanila for them to learn more or to learn effectively and efficiently about the topics or the things that you want them to learn also. So yun. Yun yung mga realization ko today. Kaya, at this moment, hindi ko pipilitin yung sarili ko to na makipagsabayan sa ganun na ways. Kasi, kung makikipagsabayan ako, sige, I can learn the ways, I understand how they teach